Onshape is a cloud-native CAD platform built from the ground up to help engineering teams accelerate their product development process. In this video, we'll explain Onshape differentiators related to top-down design that help engineering teams build complex products faster. In Onshape, engineering teams can build assemblies as multiple linked sub-assemblies that are CAD documents tracked on the cloud, with their own version and revision histories. Engineering teams wanting to work concurrently on several subsystems can do so easily. When building assemblies, users link parts built in part studios, where they can build multiple related parts. Several parts can also be combined and tracked as a single composite part. How many related parts to build in a single part studio is a modeling preference. Users can always build their parts in several part studios and derive one studio in another. Any changes made in the part studio are always reflected in the assembly. Further, users can create or edit a part studio in the context of an assembly. Unlike other CAD systems, there's no need to lock and unlock your references. Because of its unique architecture, Onshape is able to maintain a snapshot of the assembly so that users can edit multiple related parts in context without breaking any references. With multiple related sketches spanning several parts in the same part studio, users can easily build features such as holes that span multiple parts. This not only reduces the number of features being built, it also reduces the opportunity for error and speeds up future updates. Deriving in parts and sketches from other part studios to create references and geometry in the current part studio is always an option. Finally, with built-in version and revision control, Onshape's reference manager always tracks and notifies the user if newer versions or revisions of linked documents are available. The reference manager can update all references to the latest version or revision or allow the user to update selectively. Onshape users are always in control, choosing when to update their references. With linked CAD documents on the cloud, tracked histories, multi-part studios, in-context design, and selective updates, engineering teams finally have the platform they need to tackle top-down design of complex products while accelerating their time to market.